What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So we're going to be doing Orochimaru from Naruto today. So, good thing about Orochimaru is we only really have to worry about one of his eyes. Well, in this picture anyway, because his fringe covers the other eye. So, we're up in the top half of our page. He's kind of got a long face. So I've moved the eye up from the middle, so that's your middle point. You're going to come up a little bit and we're going to start with his right eyelid. So we're going to curve it up and across, like so. Now, so this makes the other side of his hair, so we're going to just do a line kind of straight down like that. It doesn't come to a point. If you're using pencil, which I suggest you do, you could finish that at a point and rub it out afterwards or color over it, whichever way you feel. But we're doing with marker, I'm doing it with marker, so I'm just going to draw that straight line and then bring it down underneath the bottom eyelid. Like so. So he's got an iris, so we do a line here. He's got kind of slender eyes, so we can't see the full circle, so we can just see the edges. So we used to do two lines like that. And he's got snake eyes, so we do a line straight down the middle there. Or cat eyes, snake eyes. That kind of eye anyway, that sort of straight down one. So then we'll do his eyebrow. So we just do a tick. So it just goes, starts the bottom of it there, and then it goes up this direction. Sorry, don't mind me. I make sound effects when I make drawings. Right, so we just got to thicken up this end of his eyebrow. We just make this thicker. Like so. And of course, Orochimaru has that dark patch inside his nose. So this is going to curve down from his eyebrow to there. And then I'll come back up into his tear duct. So I'll go back up into there. And then it comes out the other side of his eyebrow, just up here. And it goes in behind his hair as well. So you have a choice. You can color that black like in the manga, or you can do purple like in the anime. So it's up to you. Right, so his nostrils then are just, his nostril is just underneath this line, just there. One nostril and another nostril, just there. I'm not going to do the other eye. Well, we can't really see it. We can see a little bit of it, but I'm going to draw the hair first because it's like underneath his hair. So nose, and then his mouth is just underneath. So we just go straight across, and he's got a bit of an evil smile coming up right underneath his eye there, just like so. And a bit of a smile on the other side as well. Let's go like, it will be underneath his eye too, so it's probably to here. Real big, long sort of smile. Flat mouth. Right, his chin, just down here. Just there. And this comes up to his jaw. Just there, which goes behind his hair as well. And this one goes not as far. So now, the line for his hair comes right down from where I mentioned. So it's going to go like, right down this way. Really long, past his chin, all the way down to there. And the other one is just up here, kind of beside it. Comes right down this way as well. Down to there. And then we have another spike that comes across his eye here. So it's going to come down there. And it'll come back up then. Like so. And then we have another spike coming down across his other eye, just here. And then it goes back up to this point up here. Don't worry, it's not exactly like mine because hair moves around a bit. So, you know, it could be a bit longer, a bit shorter, a bit more in the middle, a bit more across. It's up to you. We have a line for his jaw just here, actually, I forgot. Makes him look sort of skinnier, like that. A bit more evil. And then we can see just kind of some of his eye just in here. So we can see some of the bottom eyelid just along here. And then the top eyelid just along here. Just a little bit of it. And then this line for his nose, just here, right across. Will come down here as well, like so. And it's going to come in there, in that gap. And a little bit of his eyebrow, maybe just here as well. Just see a little bit coloured in dark, just there. Right, so we'll finish his hair. So it's going to come up all the way around to the top of his head. So the top of his head will be like this, about the same distance from the eye to the chin. So if you measure that, bring it up, it'll probably, might be a bit further. Yeah, so it's just about there. So that's, say, where the top of his head will be. It's a little bit further than the eye to the chin, because you'd have his skull there and then you'd have a bit of hair sitting on top, so maybe a little bit more. But the eyes are usually halfway down the head, about halfway, which it is, I guess. Maybe a millimeter or two off. So this then is going to come down the side of his head, like so. All the way down to a point down here, back up, and then this joins this. Then we do the other side. We bring it down, curving down to a spike. And then back up, and then back down, and then back up, and then back down again. Like so. Then we can see his neck, just a line for his neck just in here somewhere. See, just underneath this jawline, so just like there. Like so, and then the collar of his uniform sort of comes across this way. Right underneath his chin, and then comes out the other side, just there. Then his shoulder come out across this way. Kind of bump up here and come down. Bump up and come down, because he's got a black collar that goes down around his chest, just here. Like so. And then the rest of his shoulder will come off here. Down like that. Come off and down. And then we have some hair that goes behind his head. Down that way. Down that way. And maybe some fold lines for his clothes, for his armpits and stuff. For his pits. Up this way. Fold line there. Might have a bit of a line coming across for his uniform. Maybe we can see some of his collar in there. And sometimes you might see those pieces of rope. Do you know that he has? You might see a little bit. You can't see. I can't fit much of it anyway, so it just like comes around there, but it won't maybe make sense anyway. But that's the main idea. How to draw Orochimaru from Naruto. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.